Hello and welcome to Pipefy. In this video, I introduce you to dashboards, a new feature that allows you to extract data from your pipes to analyze and optimize your processes. For an example, I'll get into a purchase process pipe to show you how it works. First, to enable this feature, you can access the Pipe Tools sidebar. Click on Apps and then Dashboards will be here. Enable it, and once it's active, it will be available for use on the pipe's header. When you enter dashboards for the first time, it will take a while to run data synchronization. This is the screen you'll see once you access the dashboards. You can create a dashboard from scratch, or you can select a sample dashboard. With a sample dashboard, you can view and customize reports with data from your pipes. In this case, this is a purchase process dashboard sample. As you can see in this dashboard, there are predefined roles, graphs, and combinations. You can select as many samples as you want, or you can create a new dashboard from scratch. For this example, let's create a general purchase process dashboard to identify which departments from the company created more requests. This dashboard is still empty, so let's add a new chart. To begin the data filtering, you can select filters from these three indicators, such as measure, which contains the numerical values to be applied in mathematical functions. They can be numbers, currencies, and card counting. Second is dimensions, qualitative data that do not integrate calculations, such as date, assignees, phases, labels, and so on. They are general attributes and cards fields. And of course, time. Dimensions based on time that can be grouped by granularity, such as last 30 days, last 7 days, daily data, and others. You can choose the time dimensions as you like. In this example, let's select as a measure the total of purchase requests by department. For this case, we can select card count. And on dimensions, since we are talking about the company area, we can choose department. As a time, we can select created at all time. This way, we can get an overview of the process from the start. After selecting these options, your graph will get a quick update. In the lower area, you can choose a different format for your chart. In this case, the pie format is great because I can identify the departments in different colors. On options, you can select the type of data you want to see in your chart and where it can be displayed. And of course, you can also use the drill down tool, which updates your chart's data accordingly to your needs in a table format. Okay, after customizing your graph, you can add to dashboard. And it's done. Your first chart was created. As you can see, it's easy to visualize details and identify different metrics. It's important to notice that charts do not present data in real time. Let's get into another chart example. In this case, for the new dashboard, we can extract other data from the purchase process, which is the total cost spent by the company's department. So we can go through the same path, create a new chart with different indicators, and add other filters to it. For this one, in measure, we can select the total cost and the sum. The dimension here is again the company area, since we are talking about company's departments. And the time can be created at and select this month. This way we can visualize all the department's monthly costs. In this scenario, we can add a filter that makes it clear that all the purchases were already delivered. Now, let's select a chart type. In this example, we can see the data in a table format. After filtering and customizing, you can add this chart to your dashboard. Great, now we have another chart added to your dashboards. As you can see, it's possible to change its size and reorganize it the way you want. See how easy it is to customize dashboards in Pipefy. Remember that you can always adapt them to your company's needs and try other combinations. If you have any other doubts regarding Pipefy's features, you can click on the Help icon and open our Help sidebar. If you prefer, you can also talk to our support team by clicking on the chat icon. Thank you and see you next time.